Life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you make it.
Darling, send me, I know send me, darling, send me, I know send me, darling.
Anyways guys, very good morning. This is 14th of December and today is just a normal day. We are going to make it more special because हम लोग आज कुछ ज़्यादा करने वाले. But before starting the day, let me tell you कि मेरा बाइक वापस आ गया है. अब जिनको पता था मेरे लाइफ में कि हाँ my bike got in an accident हो गया था, उसका थोड़ा पुर्जा ख़राब हो गया था. But I got it fixed thanks to the mechanic and the insurance agent who paid the money for repair.
Darling, send me, I know send me, darling, send me, I know send me, darling, send me, darling.
My bike is with me for like 5 years. Second year में मैं खरीदा था, मतलब मैंने नहीं खरीदा, मेरे मम्मी पापा ने दिया था, मेरे पास थोड़ी पैसा था तब. But yeah, I got a lot of money in second year, but that was not enough for buying a bike. But I'm facing one problem, that is the keychain. The key doesn't have a keychain. I mean, this one, yeah. This is my keys, and I don't have a keychain. And I mean, I could go and buy one, but that doesn't make me me. My make with Rex is make with Rex, and make with Rex doesn't make. Well, make things doesn't buy things. So we're gonna make a keychain, and we're gonna make it out of 3D printing. And I know whenever I say 3D printing, people are like, oh, he's again gonna show off his 3D printer. He's again gonna 3D print something. Yeah, I will. Why won't I? I have 3D printers. Anyways, let's go and buy a keychain first because I can't make that loop. So I need to go and buy it first. Then we're gonna make the keychain.
I know send me honest
Yeah. Now I got this keychain for 30 rupees. Now the metal is actually made out of stainless steel, which is good. बाकी सब सस्ता था and that was not good, वो rust हो जाता. So I got this and इधर पे they have this thing which is like a fake key for like कैसा लगेगा चाबी वो देखने के लिए. But I'm thinking कि इसको ना weapon बना देते, like कभी भी अगर कभी भी रास्ते में ऐसे लेके ना ऐसे लेके फोड़ेंगे, ऐसे फोड़ेंगे. So I'm gonna turn this thing into a weapon. But before that, I need something that tells this keychain belongs to Make with Rex. So let's start designing.
I know send me honest send me honest
To print keychain, I need something which can take a lot of tears, wear and tears, like stress ले सकते हैं. Now this is TPU, and this can take a lot of stress.
darling send me I know send me darling send me I know
Okay, the 3D printing is gonna take at least 25 minutes. So while that is going in process, I thought why waste some time and let's make the content more contentful. Let's unbox.
Oh, hello, my son. Have you been a good boy?
No, this is the first package. This is some parts for my printer. Yeah, as I can see, this is for the Anet A8 repair, and this too are LED strips. And this LED strip is unlike the one we get on the market, like 12-volt one. This doesn't work in 12 volt. The beautiful part of this LED strip is it works with USB. Now this is something you should not attempt at home. This is fuck, I screwed it up.
A few moments later.
Oh, pearl white filament. This looks wonderful. Let's keep it aside. Now Now this is the second package. Let's unbox it. Why should I unbox it? Should I just cut it from here? Again, you will. Oh, this is silver filament. This whole. Can you just see this? Yeah, this is metallic silver from Solid Space. Yes, from our friends at. So I just completed 3D printing the keychain, and trust me, this looks really great. Now I have a plan. What I will be doing is I will be coloring this whole thing with red and orange like the traditional Iron Man color, and then once I'm finished with that, I'm gonna upload the picture on my Instagram. I'm gonna give 2 keychains just like this to the people in my Instagram. I'm not gonna tell right now how I'm gonna give it. So if you want to get the keychain, do follow my Instagram. Link is given in the description below. And right now I need to end the vlog because I have to do something else. And Akash is really sleepy over there. This guy had not slept for last 3 days. His girlfriend is torturing him. Please pray for him.
क्या
Anyways guys, तो यही होता है ब्लॉग का एंड. अब आप जाके लाइक बटन प्रेस करना, सब्सक्राइब करना, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना, और एक बात तो बिल्कुल मत भूलना कि प्यार बांटने से प्यार बढ़ता है. और मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. बाय.
What's up?
Where the hell did you come from?
खिड़की से.
There is some next level shit, you see. यार इनको भी प्यार मिल गया, सिर्फ हम दोनों ही बेकार.
You never know. Those might be 2 guys sulking it out कि हर पंछी के पास एक साथी है, हमारे पास नहीं है.